Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are creating AI videos, ads, social content or short films, today's video for you. In this video, I will show you a full hands-on workflow using Kling 3.0 directly inside the Higgsfield website. And I will walk you through how creators are using it to generate multi-shot, audio-enabled and multiple AI videos. We'll be doing everything on screen step by step. So let's jump into it. Before we start generating, let's quickly know about what is Higgsfield. Higgsfield is a creator-focused platform where you can access advanced AI video and photo models, experience and experiment with new workflows, and use professional grade tools to create AI video content. And more of that, what makes Higgsfield interesting right now is that Kling 3.0 is fully integrated into the Higgsfield AI platform, introducing advanced video generations, multi-shot workflow, and native audio features. And if you're serious about AI video generation or AI video creation, then Higgsfield is designed specifically for the use case. So let's go into the website screen and show you how you can use that Kling 3.0. So let's go. Here at the Higgsfield website, you can see here you can explore some image tools here, also the video tools here. And now we are talking about Kling 3.0. Here you can see the Kling 2.6, the old model, and here at the 3.0, the new Kling model. So let's go, let's click on this model, and here we are. Once you are inside the website, you will see the Kling 3.0 access and workflow area. In this where we'll create our video today. So what is Kling 3.0? Let's quickly unveil it. Before I generate anything, let me quickly explain what Kling 3.0 actually is. Kling 3.0 is an upgrade over Kling Video 2.6 and it's designed to improve. It's give us multi-shot generations, native audio and dialogue inside the model, element and character consistency, and longer video generation in the unified multi-model workflow. The key idea behind Kling 3.0 is that text to video, image to video, reference-based video, and video editing all live inside a single model. This gives you much stronger control and more accurate result. In this demo, I will show you text to video generation, how multi-shot scenes are created in one run, how reference image and characters are used, and how audio and dialogue are handled natively. Let's start creating. Let's go. At first, I will start with simple text to video prompt. Here I describe a scene, the environment and the camera movement and the mood. What's important with Kling 3.0 is that it's understand scene structure much better than older models. Now I click generate while it processing. Remember one thing, that Kling 3.0 supports flexible video duration from around 3 to 15 seconds. Let's see here, you can see minimum 3 seconds of video duration I can get, max to max 15 second duration I can get here. So let's go, let me show you something else. You can add your photo on start frame, also end frame, and you describe like anything here. And the model is selected Kling 3.0, you can see ratio is 16:9. You can do it 9:16 like short or Instagram reels, or you can change the resolution 720 or 1080p right now. So let's go. At first we need to describe something here, and we are selecting duration from here, and then I can go for generate. Okay guys, I already generated some videos, so you can see here. After that I will show another features that Kling 3.0 is provided. Okay guys, so you can see the demo video. Now go to multi-shot generation, where Higgsfield give us the biggest upgrade in Kling 3.0 is multi-shot generation. Inside of generation one short clip, I can describe a sequence. For example, an opening wide shot video, a medium shot, and then close up. So here you can see Kling 3.0 automatically manage short sides, camera position, transition, and scenes flow, all in one single run. So here you can see a multi-shot button When you turn this on, you can get multiple shots. You can, at first I am deleting this shot. You can describe fast shots like this. Then you can change the duration. You can add some elements here, right there, right here. You can add some elements. Then you want to shot from a different side. You can add a slot for that. You can want to a different shot. Then you can add another one slot. You can add multiple shots in the same video. Then you can combine that. Then you can see the video I generated earlier. After that, I will show a different type of video generation that Kling 3.0 provides us. Now let's move to the image to video generation. So here I upload reference image of the main character, and start frame. You can add reference image. I can add something like that. Here a reference image I uploaded, and you can describe the video reference from here. With Kling 3.0, this system looks the main character, key object, and scene styles. This means even if the camera zoom, pan, or moves around the scene, the character and the object remain consistent. This is especially important if you are working with branded characters and recurring subjects. Here are some demo videos of that. You can check it from here. After that, I will show another upgrade, that is native audio. Let's go. Let's start it. Kling 3.0 allows you to add dialogue directly inside your generation process. You can control who speaks, who they speaks, when they speaks, and which language. It also supports multiple vocal language and natural lip syncs, which is huge step forward by character-driven videos. And now I am showing you if your video contain signs, subtitles, UI text, or anything in text format. The Kling 3.0 supports native level text rendering. The text stays sharp and readable, much less distortion, which is extremely important for ads, storefronts, and UI mockups. And now you can see already Kling 3.0 supports max 15 seconds of generations, so you can generate longer clip for your YouTube or another social media platforms for AI content creation, which allows more complex action and better story continuity compressed in short clips. Now let's talk briefly about Kling 3.0 Omni. Kling 3.0 Omni is focused on higher reference fidelity, in stronger instruction following, and more expressive character performance. You can upload a short character reference video, usually around 3 to 8 seconds, extract both visual trails and original vocal tone. This helps you build characters that stay visually and vocally consistent across multiple scenes. Now let's talk about real-world use cases. Kling 3.0 especially strong for action and physics-heavy scenes like fight sequence, vehicles, smoke, explosions, and fast interactions. Emotion-driven close-ups, where facial expressions must stay visible across shots. Macro and detail shots, such as hands, objects, and materials with their melting artifacts. Text critical video content like ads, signage, UI mockup, and subtitles. Multi-character interaction, with multiple people speaking and reacting without identity confusion, and advanced camera movement such as smooth tracking, shots, and push-ins. Now let's talk about how you can get Kling 3.0 unlimited on Higgsfield. If you want to start Kling 3.0 yourself, you can go to the official Higgsfield website. There you can see Kling 3.0 page. Right now Higgsfield offering Kling 3.0 unlimited access through their premium plans. I have added both the official access link and my own tracking link in the description, so you can directly access the website and the unlimited access from there. And that is a quick workflow demo of Kling 3.0 inside Higgsfield. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment which Kling 3.0 features you are most excited to use in your own project. See you on the next video. Till then, bye everyone and peace.